In this video, we'll learn how to use Beer's power indicator to trade binary options in a profitable way. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything right after watching this video. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So let me cut it first, this indicator. And in case if you want huge deposit bonus in this platform, then I have given a link in the description. You can use it to create your account on Pocket Option. So now, first thing is you need to decide the time frame that you want to invest. Okay, so firstly, in order to select the currency pair, you can just click on here and select the currencies. Okay, and you can choose any currency pair that you want to use. And then next thing you need to do is these candles, make it M1. Okay, so that all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Similarly, in trading time frame, you can select M1. Okay, and for this strategy, 1 minute time frame for trading is good, but you can also use 3-minute time frame. As you practice, you can check out if it works better for you in than 1 minute time frame. Okay, and then select the amount that you want to invest. Okay, maybe you want to invest 10, 20, whatever you want to invest, just put it, and then just click on this, and then click on this Beer's power. Okay, and you will see now, you can see there is a little bit arrow, just click on it, so it will be a little bit widened. Okay, so now using Beer's power indicator is extremely simple. Okay, so as you can see, here is a level that is 0. Okay, here you can see 0 is written at here. So now this is the important level that we need to watch. Okay, so Beer's means whenever market is going down, at that time we can assume that it is a bear market, right? So now whenever okay, this line crosses from this 0 line, crosses below from this 0 line, that is the exact entry point for lower trade. Okay, by using this indicator, never trade on higher. However, you can trade on higher also by looking at whenever the market goes above from this 0 line, you can watch that, but most probably your trade won't go right. But if you use this whenever it goes down from this 0 line, then it is the perfect time for you to make the trade. And if you think this video was helpful for you, then make sure to like this video. Okay, so now let me show you another place. Okay, so let's see, at here also it went below from 0, and you can see here, if you had made 1 minute trade at here, then most probably your trade would go right. Okay, similarly, let's see at any other place. So here also you can see it went down from this, here is the 0 line. Okay, if you are confused, this is the 0 line, and it went down from here. Okay, and if you have made trade at here by clicking on lower, then your trade would have gone right. Similarly, you can firstly test everything in properly in your demo account, and if you have any problem in regards of trading binary options, then you can comment below, and I'll make sure to bring whatever solution I can bring to you of that problem. Okay, I'll definitely bring in form of video or in the comment reply. Okay, so, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.